Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our medical learning series. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and crucial: stroke. Stroke is a medical emergency that occurs when the blood supply to the brain is interrupted, leading to a lack of oxygen and nutrients. It's the third leading cause of death in the United States and the leading cause of long-term disability. There are two main types of stroke: ischemic stroke, which accounts for 80% of all cases, and hemorrhagic stroke, which accounts for 20%. The symptoms of a stroke can include sudden numbness or weakness in the face, arm, or leg, especially on one side of the body; sudden confusion, trouble speaking or understanding, sudden trouble seeing in one or both eyes; sudden trouble walking, dizziness, loss of balance or coordination; and sudden severe headache with no known cause. Remember, time is brain, so if you suspect someone is having a stroke, call 911 immediately. Let's keep learning and stay healthy together. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more medical learning videos. Stay safe and healthy.